Phakela has completely destroyed the value of Zulu heritage stock, guys. Manje abantu mabeyograduate bethi bayagiya bona, they're gonna look like they are doing xenophobia on stage. They're gonna look like Intelezi crew on stage. Phakela has single-handedly taken the stock value of Zulu heritage down from Shaka Ilembe, where it was so high. Into yokuba neqhwaga in the culture. Uzothi wena nje, I'm just doing my traditional dance on the graduation stage, and people are going to be like, oh, nabo ke lapha. Oh, wema, guys, we were flying. Yabona nje, if Zulu heritage had shareholder value, guys, we were sitting on like Apple stock levels after Shaka Ilembe. Comes along Intelezi crew. Yabona nje, after Ilembe, bekungazuthi nje Zulu stock was carrying the country, guys. It was like, yabona lo trillion ka Elon Musk, we were moving in that direction, and it was carrying the country, it was carrying Africa. Yabona nje, the Zulu royal family could have just done things just from Shaka Ilembe. Guys, we look like fools to the world now. And not just Phakela, khona lo munyu, angazi igama lakhe kodwa uthanda ukugqoka i-under emhlophe underneath his regalia. Khona nje mude, ubani konje, vele kuvela i-under nje under ibhishu. Vele kuvela i-under, guys. Siyahlekwa. Zulu masculinity now looks like buffoonery. It looks... Can we just stop 30 June so that Zulu stock can just retain its value? Just for that. Angazi nina nizothi irandi liyadobhwa. Ayidobheki lento, guys. It takes so much to build up isidima se-culture. Imiqhele was becoming a universal, like, African manhood. Yabona nje ubufaka umqhele, everyone was doing umqhele. Now umqhele is just like back to nabalab. Matsulu alapis. Akuthiwani konje, kuthiwa matsulu alapis. West manje, it's not even just, it's West. What is West and matsulu alapis? It's just like violent savagery is Zulu. And this isn't about respectability, guys. Please, Mineka, if you know where I come from. Guys, siwubhuqu thina la ngiphuma khona. Siwubhuqu. So anginendaba ne-respectability. Mina ngikhuluma nje ngesidima se-culture. NdingumXhosa mna. Andidibanisi naba bantu abaya. NdingumXhosa mna. NdingumXhosa, guys. Ndiyaqhiya mna.